Welcome to our guide on how to update your drivers for optimal Valorant performance. Keeping your graphics and network drivers up to date can greatly enhance your gaming experience. Updating your drivers can unlock smoother gameplay, fix bugs, and even improve your frames per second. Let's dive into how you can ensure you're always running the latest versions. First, let's check your current driver versions. To do this, go to Device Manager. Here, expand the Display Adapters section to see your GPU drivers. Next, to find the latest driver updates, visit the official Riot Games website. They often provide announcements for driver compatibility. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, open GeForce Experience. Navigate to the Drivers tab and click on Check for Updates to ensure you're running the latest graphics driver. For AMD users, open Radeon Software. Click on the Home icon, and it will show you if your drivers are up to date or if an update is available. Don't forget your network drivers. To update them, return to Device Manager, expand the Network Adapters section, right-click your adapter, and select Update Driver. Regularly checking for Windows updates is crucial, as they can also impact Valorant gameplay. Don't forget this step. If you encounter issues in Valorant, it might be due to outdated drivers. Always troubleshoot by ensuring your drivers are updated first. To summarize, keeping your drivers updated ensures improved performance, stability, and a better overall gaming experience. It's essential for players of all levels. Thanks for watching. Remember to routinely check for driver updates and maintain peak performance in Valorant. Happy gaming!